Another gigantic swell is detonating across Waimea Bay, preparing for a start for the special Quicksilver in memory of Eddie Aikau.
You guys are all competing against each other, but Eddie would want you guys to help each other.
The energy is electric here on the beach. Feeling the presence of Brock Little.
Wow, and Ross Clark-Jones out in front. Jamie Mitchell going for the barrel.
Then a big drop for Jamie O'Brien as he'll try to hang on.
Here we go, an airdrop out the back. Oh, it was John Florence.
Grant Twig Baker looks over the ledge. He'll get hung up.
We got all 5 skis running in. This is controlled chaos. It's been a day of heroics, a day of brutality in some cases. Look at that, Mason Mason Ho on a gigantic wave.
Running through this big open face wall, Ross Clark-Jones trying to put himself in a place to win this thing. Wow.
Lost in the foam, who's it gonna be?
That is John Florence, ladies and gentlemen.
Can he come out of the whitewater? He does for a split second, he's still standing.
John Florence is the 2016 Quicksilver in memory of Eddie Aikau champion.